main difference between the resident and non-resident is the kind of income which is taxed in Spain under each specific tax figure.
Okay.
Essentially, personal income tax, which is the main tax applied to Spanish resident individuals, is a tax that at the end of is levying the worldwide income of the relevant individual.
Okay.
And for this reason, rental income, income obtained by means of leasing a property in Spain, and the so-called deemed income, which is a presumption of real estate income obtained by individuals resident in Spain as a result of being the owner of a property in Spain which is empty, no rented or effectively rented, are both of them taxed under personal income tax. Personal income tax essentially is a tax which is adjusted to the personal and specific circumstances of each taxpayer by means of deductions, reductions of the tax base, certain allowances. So it's a very complex tax, but it's important to bear in mind that the purpose of the law is adjust the tax to every single situation.
Okay.
On this basis, the main question on personal income tax, essentially for non-Spanish native people, which is the tax rate applicable to the income obtained in Spain. Personal income tax is a progressive tax.
Okay.
This means that it's not a flat rate applicable on the tax base, but a progressive scale according to different thresholds of income, which tax the relevant income under different and progressive tax rates. Here in Andalusia, because personal income tax is the general tax, the general income, the determination of the progressive scale is transferred in some extent to the autonomous regions. Here in Andalusia, the general income which includes, among others, the rental income and the deemed real estate income, is taxed under a progressive scale, which tax rates are around 19% in the lower part of the scale, until around 47% for those income higher than 300,000 euros. This is the current situation. As you know, taxes are changing every single day, so it's important to bear in mind that specific advice must be covered if someone wants to transfer his or her tax residence to Spain in order to determine the applicable tax rates in this specific moment.